Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to set permission set to the user, how to assign permission set to user. So let's get started. So click on this gear icon, then click on setup. In quick find box, search for permission set. Here you can see under user section, you can see the permission sets. Click on permission sets. Okay, here you will see the all the list of permission set available in this Salesforce org. So I want to give experience profile manager permission set to the user. So I wanted to assign this permission set to the user. So here you can see the manage assignments button. Click on this manage assignment button. Then here in right side you can see add assignment. Then here you will see the all the users, or you can these are the by default list views. You can see the all active users, admin users. You can see all users by selecting all users list view. So in last it's recently view list view. So these are the pre-built list views. If you want to create a new list view, you can create a new list view by selecting this list view control button, then click on new button, and from here you can create a new list view. So I wanted to assign this permission set to the admin user, which have the system administrator profile. So this is the user. So I will select this checkbox, then click on next. So I don't want to set expiration date for this permission date, but if you want to set the expiration date, then click on this button. Then if you want to select the custom date, then you can select the custom date. Here you can select, like, in this way you can select the custom date as well. Okay, and here you can see the time zone also. But I do not want to specify the expiration date, so I will select first option, no expiration date. Then here click on assign. Okay, now it gets assigned. Here you can see the status success, then click on done. Okay, and I open this user, and here you can see the experience profile manager permission set get assigned. So in this way you can assign permission set to the user. From here also you can assign permission set by clicking on this edit assignment button. Okay, from here also you can select the permission set, then click on this add button and click on save button. So from here also you can add permission set to the user. Okay, by clicking on this delete button you can remove permission set from the user. Now you can see the commerce admin permission set get unassigned. Okay, so in this way you can assign, delete permission set from user. I hope you find this video well. So thank you. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, please add a comment to this video.